Hey everyone, welcome back to the How to Tutorials channel. Are you having trouble logging into the Botim app? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Once confirmed, open the Play Store or App Store, search for Botim, and update the app if an update is available. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down, and tap Apps. Use the search bar to find Botim, then open Storage, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This step fixes most login issues. Open the Botim app again and make sure your phone number is entered correctly, including the country code. Wait for the OTP and enter it as soon as you receive it. If the problem continues, uninstall the Botim app and reinstall it from the App Store. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or use a VPN if your network is blocking the app. And that's it. Your Botim login issue should now be resolved. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile app fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.